What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at some new 2025 Hot Wheels mainline models and some additional stuff. So the situation is still the same. It's pretty hard to find new Hot Wheels mainline models this year. The reason, in my opinion, is that the Hot Wheels lineup this year is really bad and the people don't buy the stuff. The packs are full, the dump bins are full, and the stores don't restock, and you don't get new cases. So what you're looking at here, in my opinion, is part of G case and part of H case. Unfortunately, some of the highlights were already gone because I think the really cool black BMW with the Trump Player special deco is in the H case. Couldn't find that. But we have to deal with that, and I would say let's get started with a new casting. And this one here is pretty cool. New casting, the 96 Dodge Viper GTS. In this typical deco, comes in a nice blue livery with the typical racing stripes. Really nice color, in my opinion. I like the stripes, and we get some crisp details on the front, and also some pretty cool details on the back. Viper license plate. So this is really cool. And the best thing, in my opinion, is if you take a look at the wheels. These are the same size. We don't get these oversized wheels on the rear axle, which often looks really weird, in my opinion. So yeah, this one's pretty nice. Let's put it into the parking lot as we go on. The fantasy model. I know not everybody likes those. Well, I don't like every generic and fantasy model. Some of them aren't that good, but this one, in my opinion, is really cool. You see, it's a new casting for 2025. The cone shaker. And yeah, what can I say? I think this one looks really good. I mean, yeah, so it's kind of a race driver helmet that is made out of a cone, which is really cool. And as you can see here, there's a hole, and I think you can stack them, which is pretty cool. Also, the back part here with these triangles. Yeah, I think it's a really neat and cool looking casting. Nice addition. Then another fantasy model, the what is it called? Decidedly Go Magic 8 Ball. Also new casting. So yeah, as you can hear, there is something in there. But yeah, first of all, take a look at the top. Get this ball here with the 8, and as you can see, there's this thing inside. Yeah, does it say ask again? Most likely. So yeah, reply. What does it say? Can't read that. Anyways, so yeah, kind of predicts your future. So let's put this guy into the parking lot. Let's go on with a recolor. I think this is only the second recolor for this guy here. I think we've seen it last year in this blue, white, and red deco. By the way, I think this is the Super in, I don't know, the G case maybe. Of course, I didn't find the Super. I think the regular model also does look very good. We get some crisp headlights, nice rally deco, and unfortunately no deco on the back. But I mean, this is a mainline model. As you can see, we get these accessories on the top, which are part of the window piece, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, pretty nice model. Then we have a casting that I don't collect, but yeah, this is one of the art cards. Cars. As you can see here, Datsun 240Z. And I think this one comes in a really, really cool livery. And as you can see, this one has these huge wheels in the back. I don't really like it, but the livery in this one, pretty nice. So it's like a, yeah, it's pretty hard to describe. I would say it's like a pearl effect, light blue, whatever. And then we get these cherry blossoms on there. I think this one looks really nice. Very nice deco. Then we go on with the Quick Bite new deco for this guy here. So basically, this is a food truck, and yeah, so we have Fuego Fajitas. Yeah, yeah, I really like these food trucks. El Segundo Hot Wheels looks nice. Then the next recolor for the Hot Wheels Legends model, Mazda NX-5 Miata. I think the first version was in gray. No, I'm a huge fan of these wheels, by the way. So yeah, looks good. I think it even looks better than the first version. So this one here in neon green. So then we go on with the 67 Austin minivan. This is also a casting I don't really collect, but as you can see, it's an art car, and I think yeah, the deco is really cool in my opinion. So yeah, they're kind of playing with Union Jack. There we go. Yeah, once again, it's pretty annoying. I mean, yeah, here you can see it here on the hood. We don't get any headlights, so that looks weird, definitely. I mean, on the back it's okay, but I think we would need some headlights, but it is how it is. Yeah, we go on with the small block. Also a very nice generic casting, in my opinion. Normally, in these videos, I'm showing the recent versions, but many of them I just couldn't find. So here we have, I think we've also seen this one here in yellow version, yellow taxi version, black. Then the Mattel Dream Mobile. Yeah, it's a casting that I normally wouldn't buy, but in this 80 years deco, pretty nice. So there we go. As we take a look at this paint job, I would say it looks okay. You know, often when they do these, it's kind of a candy apple red sometimes. It seems like they don't mix up the paint very well, and then you have like an uneven paint. But this one, I would say, looks okay. Into the parking lot, and another cool recolor for the DMC DeLorean. I think this is a very nice casting, and they throw some pretty cool decos on this one here. Nice one. I think also the wheels are a very good match. Pretty cool. And our last mainline is the BMW 2002. In yellow. the M color deco on the side, which is pretty nice. And we get the BMW badge on the hood, but no headlights, unfortunately, no taillights. So yeah, what else do we got? A premium model. So this one was on sale for €5. Normally you pay at least €10 here in Germany for these. So I thought, why not grab this guy that I normally wouldn't have bought, but for €5, it's a good deal. Yeah, nice metallic purple paint job, and always cool that we get a license plate, hot tech, and these yeah, white six spokes, pretty nice. And our last one is a neon speeder. Yeah, some of these do look pretty cool, but they are really expensive, €4 to €5. So the thing is, I mean, it's basically the same price that I bought for this reduced premium model, and yeah, I think it's pretty insane. I mean, it's nothing more than a mainline. It has a plastic base. You know, sometimes we get metal bases on these silver series or mid-level Hot Wheels models, whatever. But I mean, they get a little bit more deco. I mean, the color on this one is kind of cool. It's like a kind of a flat neon pink. And of course, we get full deco. But once again, a plastic base. But the color, really nice. So, take a quick look at the models from today. I'm always picking a favorite, and I would say the best one is the Viper, the new casting. I think they really nailed it with this one. I'm not a huge fan of US cars, but this one here for a mainline looks really good. And yeah, with that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time.